Hello, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Beulah FS and Tech Enterprise. Live before you all this morning, being on the 22nd of October 2024. I'll be showcasing the use of my simple strategy live before you with 1 minute time frame. And we'll be using the investment of $50 for the sake of this tutorial. I've already selected the currency pair we need to trade on, and as you can see listed on the chart. So I'm going to be entering the trade, also explaining the reason for each of my entry for you to understand. At this point I decide to buy, and what is the reason why I bought at this point? Like I used to explain, that whenever this moving average line, the yellow line you are seeing on the chart now, whenever it touches a buy candle from the bottom, it means that the market tends to go up for some time. That is, the market is on the high side of the bullish movement, and that is why I do what? I buy at that point with $50. And also, whenever the moving average, which is that yellow line, you can set it to be any color. As you can see the point I mark now, whenever it crosses a red candle, it means the market is going to go down for some time. And as you can see, this particular trade has already closed on profit. This is the first trade of the day. It has already closed on profit. And with the use of this same simple strategy, let's switch to another currency pair and see what we did. Here we can sell here for 1 minute. And let me explain the reason why I sold here. Like recently I said that whenever the moving average line, which is that yellow line, crosses a red candle, like you can see, and another red candle is being formed after, it means that the market is going to continue going down for some time. Because if you see the stochastic oscillator I'm using, the one I'm marking now, you see that the red line lie below that red line. It means that the market has been on bearish movement, and I strongly believe that the market is going to continue the bearish movement, at least for the period of time we are going to be taking the profit. We have less than 10 seconds now, and we are be on profit from the same market. Trading is a nice skill that one can never learn. It's risky, but when you don't have the skill, that's why you need to have the skill. Let's switch to the first currency pair. Here I'm going to be buying for 1 minute, and let me explain the reason for my decision here. Like I explained before, whenever the moving average, which is that yellow line you're seeing on the chart, the one I'm marking now, whenever it touches a buying candle, it means the market will be going up for some time. And if you also look at the stochastic oscillator, you could see that the red line in between that green and red is facing up. It means that the market is facing the what? The bullish movement, which results to me buying at that point, because I know vividly well that the market is going to buy. And as you can see, we have less than 4 seconds now, and boom, we are on profits. So this is the reason, or this is the how to study or to read the simple strategy that I used to use. I use this simple strategy for myself, to trade for myself, and it has made me a lot of money. And it's the same strategy that I used to want to explain or use in my Telegram channel with Trade Daily with Profit, and all my subscribers eat with me. At this point, this market is going to support a buying, but not at the very moment, so I'm going to be leaving it. It is not always about taking trade on any instance. It is all about having a strategy. You live and trade by the strategy and wait for the strategy. At this point I'm going to be selling here. And like I explained before, I say whenever that moving average line, which is the yellow line, crosses a red candle, and thereafter another red candle is being formed, as you can see, this is the point it crossed. You see the second candle, it means that the market is going to be going down for some time, of which I enter the market. Looking at the stochastic oscillator also, it is leaving the buying zone, positioning or trying to touch the what? The selling. That's telling me that the market is going to go down for some time. So that is the reason for my decision. So you could see how profitable this strategy is. And this is the same strategy I use for myself, and also posting signal in my group. So you are in the wrong side if you are not trading with this my simple strategy. This is the fourth trade of the day, and as you can see, we are on profit.